Thanks for hanging with me. I'm Mr. Herman. Are we ready to learn? This is part two of our lesson on the causes of World War One. If you missed part one, go back and check it out. We covered militarism, alliances, and imperialism. Now we're going to look at the final main cause, nationalism, and the event that turned all of this tension into a full blown war. Here's a quick reminder of what we're aiming to learn. Identify the main causes of World War One, understand how nationalism, imperialism, militarism, and alliances built tension. Explain how the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand triggered a global war. Let's wrap up this breakdown with the last two key pieces. Nationalism is intense pride for your country, or in some cases, your ethnic. Across Europe, nations were fired up about their own greatness. In places like Germany and France, nationalism fueled competition. In the Balkans, though, it was about independence. Slavic groups like the Serbs wanted out from under foreign control, especially from Austria Hungary. This made the Balkans a powder keg just waiting to spark. And here's that spark. On June 28th, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo, Bosnia. The killer, Gavrilo Princip, a Serbian nationalist connected to the group called the Black Hand. Austria Hungary blamed Serbia and, backed by Germany, issued a harsh ultimatum. When Serbia did not fully comply, Austria Hungary declared war, and that was just the beginning. So, because of the alliance system, this one conflict snowballed fast. Austria Hungary declared war on Serbia. Russia mobilized to protect Serbia. Germany declared war on Russia. Germany declared war on France. Germany invaded Belgium. Britain declared war on Germany. What could have been a regional issue turned into a world war almost overnight. Let's hit pause and check what we've learned. Can you explain the main causes of World War I? What was the spark that set the war in motion? Think about this. Which cause do you think played the biggest role and why? All right, so great work. Next up, we'll look at how the war was fought, trench warfare, new weapons, and the devastating toll it took on soldiers and civilians alike. Thanks again for hanging with me. I'm Mr. Herman. Stay curious, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.